यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्मसंसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे. Our Supreme Lord Bhagavan Shri Swaminarayan, present in the temple Shri Jabreshwar Hare Krishna Maharaj, and present over here, you all the devoted followers of Bhagavan Shri Hari, a very warm Jai Shri Swaminarayan to everyone. Dear devotees, this is the present time of Shravan Mas, and especially in Shravan Mas, we offer our great devotion in the lotus feet of Bhagavan Shri Hari. So today I would like to talk about how our devotion should be, which we offer to God. Let me explain you with the reference of Bhagavan Sri Hari's Charitra. Once upon a time, Bhagavan Sri Swaminarayan was present in the Gadpur, and very early in the at the 4 a.m. Shriji Maharaj woke up and told Murji Brahmachari to inform each and every devotee, each and every saint that not to go for having bath at the Ghela river. Instead, come and sit in the assembly. All the devotees and all the saints followed the command. They came and took their positions in the assembly. Sriji Maharaj came in the assembly, but at the very moment, some several devotees from Surat they arrived. The devotees were too shocked, looking Sriji Maharaj at the 4 a.m. in the assembly. The devotees brought some sweets for Bhagavan Sri Hari. They offered to Bhagavan Sri Swaminarayan, bowed him, and took place in the assembly. In this assembly, Sriji Maharaj said that today I am feeling so hungry and I must eat something. I cannot wait for hours. Then Sriji Maharaj commanded Govardhan Bhagat. Maharaj said, Bhagat, come ahead and feed this burfi with your own hands to me. Govardhan Bhagat was such a devoted follower of Bhagavan Sri Swaminarayan that he is completely focused on God. He came forward, he put his hands into the pot of burfi, pulled out some of the pieces, and held it towards Maharaj and gestured, Jamo Maharaj, Maharaj, please have this, please have this. Meanwhile,